This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Suzuki Swift GA, stock reference number 5683. The shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2017. It has a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left guard has no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls.